इस बात से तुम्हारा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं। दिस इज नन ऑफ योर बिजनेस। दिस इज नन ऑफ योर बिजनेस। फौरन गायब हो जाओ। गेट लॉस्ट एट वंस। गेट लॉस्ट एट वंस। मेहनत करो, ऐसा ना हो कि फेल हो जाओ। वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू शुड फेल। वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू शुड फेल। मैं असूलों पर समझौता नहीं कर सकता। आई कांट कंप्रोमाइज ऑन प्रिंसिपल्स। आई कांट कंप्रोमाइज ऑन प्रिंसिपल्स। इससे पहले कि ड्राइवर ब्रेक लगाता, कार एक दरख्त से टकरा गई। बिफोर द ड्राइवर वुड अप्लाई ब्रेक्स, द कार कोलाइडेड विद अ ट्री। बिफोर द ड्राइवर वुड अप्लाई ब्रेक्स, द कार कोलाइडेड विद अ ट्री। उन्होंने अपना झगड़ा तय कर लिया है। They have settled their dispute. They have settled their dispute. वो सलमा से शादी करने पर आमादा नहीं है। He is not willing to marry Salma. He is not willing to marry Salma. वो अपने वादे से फिर गया है। He has gone back on his word. He has gone back on his word. उसके खिलाफ मुकदमा दर्ज कर लिया गया है। And a case has been registered against him. And a case has been registered against him. मैं भूल जाने और माफ़ कर देने में यकीन रखता हूँ। I believe in forgetting and forgiving. I believe in forgetting and forgiving. ये रही आपकी किताबें। Here are your books. Here are your books. तुम्हें खुद पर शर्म आनी चाहिए। You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. इखलाकी इक़्तिदार तेज़ी से गायब हो रही हैं। Moral values are disappearing fast. Moral values are disappearing fast. क्या उस पर कत्ल का इल्ज़ाम लगा है? Has he been charged with murder? Has he been charged with murder? मुतमईन रहें, आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया जाएगा। Rest assured you will be called for an interview. Rest assured you will be called for an interview. ये एक तशवीशनाक खबर है। It's an alarming news. It's an alarming news. उसकी तमाम उम्मीदें खाक में मिल गईं। All his hopes were dashed to the ground. All his hopes were dashed to the ground. हमारे पास सिर्फ 500 रुपये रह गए हैं। We are left with only 500 rupees. We are left with only 500 rupees. मुझे उसका नाम याद ना आ सका। I couldn't recall his name. I couldn't recall his name. तुमने मेरी उम्मीदों से बढ़कर तरक्की की है। You have progressed beyond my expectations. You have progressed beyond my expectation. हमें हर कीमत पर यह मैच जीतना है। We have to win this match at all costs. We have to win this match at all costs. हर शख्स पर भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता। Everybody can't be trusted. Everybody can't be trusted. ये बहुत बड़ा मंसूबा है। It's a very ambitious plan. It's a very ambitious plan. इस लिस्ट में तुम्हारा नाम शामिल नहीं है। This list doesn't include your name. This list doesn't include your name. कुछ लोग अभी तक लापता हैं। Some people are still missing. Some people are still missing. तुम्हें इससे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। You are not going to benefit from this. You are not going to benefit from this. तुम्हारी मेरे घर में दाखिल होने की ज़रूरत कैसे हुई? How dare you enter my house? How dare you enter my house? अगर तुम थोड़ा इंतज़ार करते तो मैं आ जाता। If you had waited a little, I would have come. If you had waited a little, I would have come. वो आपकी मौजूदगी पर एतराज़ नहीं करेगा। He will not object to your presence. He will not object to your presence. तुम्हें अपने कामों पर पछताना पड़ेगा। You will have to repent of your deeds. You will have to repent of your deeds. इस सिलसिले में मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना है। I have nothing to say in this regard. I have nothing to say in this regard. सियासतदानों के बयानात अक्सर गुमराहकुन होते हैं। The statements of politicians are often misleading. The statements of politicians are often misleading. कभी न कभी उसे अकल आ जाएगी। Sooner or later, he will see reason. Sooner or later, he will see reason. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. जब तक तुम आओगे गाड़ी जा चुकी होगी। The train will have left by the time you come. The train will have left by the time you come. वो जितना ज़्यादा कमाता है उतना ज़्यादा खर्च करता है। The more he earns, the more he spends. The more he earns, the more he spends. उसके पसमानगान में एक भाई और माँ शामिल हैं। He is survived by a brother and mother. He is survived by a brother and mother. अपने बेटे को देखकर उसने इत्मीनान की सांस ली। Seeing his son, he heaved a sigh of relief. Seeing his son, he heaved a sigh of relief. वो ना मेरा दोस्त है ना रिश्तेदार। He is neither my friend nor relative. He is neither my friend nor relative. वो भी तुम्हारी तरह अहमक है। He as well as you is foolish. He as well as you is foolish. मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान ना लो। Don't tax my patience. Don't tax my patience. उसे देखे हुए मुझे अरसा हो गया है। It's ages since I saw him. It's ages since I saw him. हमें गुर्बत और जहालत के खिलाफ लड़ना है। We have to fight against poverty and ignorance. We have to fight against poverty and ignorance. वो घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. हर चीज़ की एक हद होती है। There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. डॉक्टर बनना उसके मुकद्दर में नहीं है। He is not destined to become a doctor. He is not destined to become a doctor. मैं अगले माह कराची जाने का इरादा रखता हूँ। I intend to go to Karachi next month. I intend to go to Karachi next month. मैं जाऊँ या ठहरूँ? Should I leave or stay? Should I leave or stay? आलूदगी ने शहरी ज़िंदगी को नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त बना दिया है। Pollution has made city life unbearable. Pollution has made city life unbearable. मुतल्लिका क्लर्क गैर हाजिर था। The clerk concerned was absent. The clerk concerned was absent. उसे कैद बामुशक्कत की सज़ा मिली। He was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment. He was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment. वो मेरे खिलाफ कीना रखता है। He bears a grudge against me. He bears a grudge against me. तुम्हें प्रिंसिपल से माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। You will have to apologize to the principal. You will have to apologize to the principal. मैं तुम्हें दुश्मनों के रहमो करम पर नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I shall not leave you at the mercy of enemies. I shall not leave you at the mercy of enemies. मैं भीख मांगने पर मरने को तरजीह दूंगा। I shall rather die than beg. I shall rather die than beg. गाड़ी की रवानगी में 2 घंटे देर हो गई है। The departure of the train was delayed by 2 hours. The departure of the train was delayed by 2 hours. उसकी सेहतयाबी की अब कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। There is a little hope of his recovery now. There is little hope of his recovery now. अब इसके बारे में कुछ न कुछ तो करना है। Now something has to be done about it. Now something has to be done about it. वो बच्चों से बहुत घबराता है। He is very impatient with children. He is very impatient with children. वो बुरे भले में तमीज़ नहीं कर सकता। He cannot tell right from wrong. He cannot tell right from wrong. वो मरते मरते बचा। He had all but died. He had all but died. मैं तुमसे बाद में निपटूंगा। I shall deal with you later. I shall deal with you later. वो अपनी कारकर्दगी पर तारीफ का मुस्तहिक है। He deserves praise for his performance. He deserves praise for his performance. वो इस सदमे से नहीं बच सकेगा। He will not be able to survive this shock. He will not be able to survive this shock. उसके सारे मंसूबे उलट पड़ गए हैं। All his plans have backfired. All his plans backfired. मेरी तरफ से आपको फिक्रमंद होने की ज़रूरत नहीं। You needn't worry on my account. You needn't worry on my account. मैं ना उससे मिला हूँ ना उसके बाप से। I have met neither him nor his father. I have met neither him nor his father. मुल्क में लाकानूनियत का दौर दौरा था। Anarchy prevailed in the country. Anarchy prevailed in the country. जितनी जल्द वहाँ पहुँच जाओ उतना ही अच्छा है। The sooner you reach there, the better. The sooner you reach there, the better. तुम्हें शराब से परहेज करना चाहिए था। You should have abstained from wine. You should have abstained from wine. पुलिस ने सारे गांव को घेरे में ले लिया। The police surrounded the whole village. The police surrounded the whole village. उसने अपने पहले बयान की तरदीद कर दी है। He has contradicted his earlier statement. He has contradicted his earlier statement. अगर वो नहीं आना चाहता मुझे क्या परवाह. If he doesn't want to come, I couldn't care less. If he doesn't want to come, I couldn't care less. उसने अपने आप को दुश्मन के हवाले कर दिया है. He surrendered himself to the enemy. He surrendered himself to the enemy. वक्त आ गया है कि तुम शादी कर लो. It's high time you got married. It's high time you got married. खुदा करे वो कभी वापस ना आए. May he never come back. May he never come back. खुदा करे तुम इम्तिहान में कामयाब हो जाओ. May you succeed in the examination. May you succeed in the examination. खुदा तुम्हें बेटा अता करे. May God bless you with a son. May God bless you with a son. तुम्हें रोज़ाना आने की ज़रूरत नहीं. You needn't come daily. You needn't come daily. बच्चों को बिलखसूस ये बीमारी लगने का ज़्यादा इम्कान होता है. Children are especially prone to this disease. Children are especially prone to this disease. अंधों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of the blind. Don't make fun of the blind. क्या वो मलेरिया से सेहतयाब हो गया है? Has he recovered from malaria? Has he recovered from malaria? मैं आपकी नीयत पर शुबा नहीं करता. I don't doubt your intention. I don't doubt your intention. वो ज़ात का मुगल है. He is Mughal by caste. He is Mughal by caste. तुम्हारी कारकर्दगी मेरी तौक़ुआत से बढ़कर है. Your performance is beyond my expectations. Your performance is beyond my expectations. आप यहाँ कब से रह रहे हैं? Since when have you been living here? Since when have you been living here? मैं उसे पहचान न सका. I couldn't recognize him. I couldn't recognize him. कुन ज़हन तो वो था ही. वो इम्तिहान में फेल हो गया. Dull as he was, he failed in the examination. Dull as he was, he failed in the examination. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? मैं ना वहाँ गया ना जाऊँगा. I neither went nor shall go there. I neither went nor shall go there. इंसान फ़ानी है. Man is mortal. Man is mortal. ये जानना मुश्किल है कि वो कसूरवार है या बेगुनाह. It's difficult to find out whether he is guilty or innocent. It's difficult to find out whether he is guilty or innocent. खुदा के लिए मुझे गलत न समझें. For God's sake, don't misunderstand me. For God's sake, don't misunderstand me. आपने ये मकान कितने में ख़रीदा है? What have you paid for this house? What have you paid for this house? हादसे से बचने की खातिर कार ऐन वक्त पर रुक गई. The car came to stop just in time to prevent an accident. The car came to stop just in time to prevent an accident. पुरानी आदतें मुश्किल ही से जाती हैं. Old habits die hard. Old habits die hard. क्या आप आखिरत की ज़िंदगी पर ईमान रखते हैं? Do you believe in the life hereafter? Do you believe in the life of hereafter? मुझे अपने जज्बात का इजहार करने की इजाज़त दें. Please allow me to express my sentiments. Please allow me to express my sentiments. हर शख्स को क़यामत के रोज़ खुदा का सामना करना है. Everybody has to face God on the day of judgment. Everybody has to face God on the day of judgment. फौरन दफ़ा हो जाओ. Get lost at once. Get lost at once.